At UEI, our Automotive Technician program will train you in a shop environment as you gain the practical skills needed to start your career in the automotive industry. You'll learn how to diagnose and repair engines, brakes, steering, suspension, electrical systems, and air conditioning. You'll practice using industry-standard tools and equipment, from computerized diagnostic systems to hands-on repair techniques. Your training includes learning preventative maintenance, troubleshooting performance issues, and working safely in a professional auto shop environment. With the guidance from experienced instructors, you'll put everything you've learned into practice so you graduate job ready. Why do students choose UEI's Automotive Technician program? Because they want to gain practical hands-on skills, a career in an essential field, and have the support to succeed from start to finish. Take the first step toward a career in the automotive field with UEI's Automotive Technician program today.